MetaSmart Glasses charging case light not turning on. If your MetaSmart Glasses charging case light isn't turning on, do not worry. It's often a simple issue. This guide will walk you through the quick troubleshooting steps to get your case charging properly again. First, ensure the charging cable is firmly connected to both the case and a working power source. Try plugging the cable into another outlet or USB adapter to confirm its supply power. A loose or faulty connection is a common reason why the case light doesn't turn on. Next, open the case and remove the glasses. Then, place them back in securely. Make sure they are properly aligned with the charging contacts inside the case. Improper replacement may prevent the case from detecting the glasses and starting the charge. If the issue persists, inspect the charging contacts inside the case and on the glasses. Use a soft, dry cotton swab to gently clean the metal pins and connectors. Dust, dirt, or residue can block the electrical connection and stop the charging process. After cleaning and resetting everything, close the case and check the indicator light again. If it turns on, the charging connection has been restored successfully. Your MetaSmart glasses are now charging properly. Problem solved.